Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic regarding BSc nursing. So what are the career options after BSc nursing? So most of us are still confused that we have chosen BSc nursing. Now what will be the career options after completion of the course? So mainly we have divided the career option mainly in two groups, like clinical portion and teaching. So mainly after when you will completing a BSc nursing course, it's mainly a 4-year course, and after that you can go either in your interested field. Like if you are interested in clinical areas, like you are more skilled and you are interested over work caring of patient, and you are more devoted to clinical area, and so you can go over there. And but on the another half, like most of us are interested in teaching, and we find a little difficult, like after is there any option that after BSc nursing we can go for teaching? So the answer is yes, but sometimes we have to complete MSc nursing also. So we are having still doubt that can we how to become a teacher and after BSc nursing. So first we will discuss all about clinicals, and then we will coming on this topic. So guys, mainly clinical हम लोग आफ्टर गेटिंग आर सर्टिफिकेट वी कैन गो एंड वी कैन गो इन हॉस्पिटल्स एंड गेट जॉब्स ओवर देयर एंड फिल गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स फॉर getting in clinical area for becoming nursing officers, staff nurses, etc. But for nursing, for teaching, first we have to complete our BSc nursing. Then we can apply for nursing tutor post, because nursing tutor we can get after BSc nursing. But if we want to become professor, associate professor, assistant professor, then we have to, it is mandatory that we have that BSc nursing, MSc nursing degree with BSc. Mainly for becoming professor and vice principal, we should have our completed BSc nursing degree, MSc nursing degree, and then further education. So for easy and go way through, like clinical is more easy for you, like after BSc nursing you can go over there. But if your dream is to become a teacher, then I should say that you should do the further studies and you should complete all your degrees simultaneously, and you can sideways do your jobs as well. So I will say that what are the benefits in both of us. First of all, I will prefer that holidays are more in teaching field as compared to clinical fields. So it's my personal advice that yeah, workload in teaching field is little low as compared to clinical field, like there is patient exposure, so it's our duty to perform everything on time, and it will be more hectic in clinical fields. But in teaching field we have get advantages of benefits of all the holidays, and all the extracurricular things will be more participating in our life. It's not like that in clinical field these all things are restricted, but I prefer teaching is far better. But competition in clinical area is more, and seats are less in teaching field. So mainly if you are hoping for government teacher, so vacancy used to come, and vacancy बहुत कम आती हैं. But साइड वाइज क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर एरिया बहुत सारी n नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी आती हैं. आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट full video over the vacancies and what are the exams we can give for clinical field. So yeah, that was all about the, so like, share and subscribe if you found the video helpful, and comment down if you need any knowledge regarding another topics.